There you have it. I'm so excited. Now, I've had these for some time. I just have not got around to unboxing the speaker, but I've been able to use it, and I'm trying to tell you, this Charge 4 is the real deal. Now, let's take a look at it. Check out that presentation. Isn't that something? They're out there playing on the beach, got their fireworks, play and charge endlessly. This speaker is phenomenal. All right, here we have the speaker itself in all of its JBL goodness. Look at that. Look at that. That is just an awesome looking speaker. Look at that. On the back, you've got a port that allows you to USB-C charging, auxiliary jack if you want to add headphones, and there's a USB in so that you can charge other devices or another battery or a phone. Check that out. That's nice. That's a cool feature. And then on the sides there, you've got the air. I forgot what those are called. But those push the air for the speaker and the bass. Okay, real quick, let's set this to the side and see what you get inside here. Okay, you've got your quick start guide, of course. USB to USB-C. I love that. And it has those little red highlights in there just to kind of set it off. That is awesome. I love that. But today I just want to look at how to get it going and show you how it charges another device. So real quick, here's the power button. Check this out. Listen. Woo! So when that comes on, you're ready for business. Listen to what it sounds like when you turn it off. Oh, you gotta love that. Listen to that. Yeah, it's ready to rock and roll. Okay, so what we want to do is connect it to a phone. I've got my V40 here. Disconnected. Okay. Now it's in search mode. See, it's blinking. It's making that sound. Now you go to your phone, and then I'm going to search for it in the Bluetooth section. See if I can find it real quick here. Available devices, JBL Charge 4. Connect real fast. Let it do its thing. And then when it pairs, you heard that sound. It's paired, ready to go. So now, let's listen to some music. What can we listen to safely without getting a strike from YouTube? Okay, let's listen to a couple of these royalty-free songs just so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. This is actual sound coming from the speaker, so you let me know what you think. Now, as you can listen to the speaker, it has volume controls on the sides here, down, up. These get really loud. Yeah. How about this one? What do you think of that sound, guys? Take a listen to it. Hear that bass? See those air movers pushing that bass out? Look at that. That's hot. Love it. And you can pause, play, double click, goes to the next track. Double click goes to the next track. Let me see, I think this one, that doesn't do anything. So I think you can only forward to the next track. And when you get to the loudest sound there, you get that drum kick sound. But you can also control the volume from your phone. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna stop the concert right here. That's the JBL Charge 4. Some of the interesting things about this speaker is it is IPX7 waterproof, which means you can submerge this in water up to like 3 feet before you have any problems with it becoming an issue for your speaker. They float in water, so it's really hard to submerge them. They've got the capability to float, which is kind of cool. Took these on a trip and by the pool, and they got in the water. They floated fine. There were no issues with the speaker afterwards. Now on the back, like I showed you before, you've got this ability to power another device via USB. So let's try that real quick. I'm going to see if we can get this phone to get some juice. Right now I want to show you we are at 63%. Okay, I'm going to plug this into the back and you can see for yourself. Hold on, let me get it close here so you can see. Check it out. Charging. So you can actually charge another device while listening to music. Let me show you that you can listen to music at the same time and charge a device. See that? And it's still charging. See that little indicator there? It's still charging. So, phenomenal sound. Let me pause it. Phenomenal sound. Water resistant, waterproofing. Great for parties, outdoor, indoor. This thing is a phenomenal Bluetooth speaker. You cannot go wrong picking up the JBL Charge 4. And if you get more than one, you can daisy chain them through the JBL Connect app and have them play in series. That is even more fun, especially if you have a party and you're trying to fill a room or fill a backyard, wherever the case might be, with music. Getting these together is an awesome experience. And it's very easy to do. So let me know what you think in the comments of this speaker. If you've heard it before, let me know what you think of it. All right, guys, we're going to leave on another royalty-free track. I love that we can use these royalty-free tracks and not get in trouble with YouTube. All these have come from the YouTube audio library, so you can download them at your convenience. Listen to that as we go out. JBL Charge 4. Bass, nice crisp highs. Love it. There we go, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.